of the Mag 7 right now, I do think Meta stock has the biggest potential for a reversal. This is probably one of the better dip opportunities as well. If we look on the daily chart, compare it from the 200-day moving average, we're currently right around a 10% drop below the 200-day moving average. This is a really good entry point in my opinion whenever we're below the 200-day moving average on the, especially the Mag 7. And so here, looking at the Mag 7 here on Meta, 10% drop below the 200-day moving average is a really good entry point. Something to keep an eye out for is that it could reach to about a 20% drop at most. And so 540 would be the bottom here in my personal opinion for Meta stock. There is potentially more downside. However, in the long term, I do anticipate for a reversal back up to the upside. And I do think the all-time high is eventually going to get retested as well. That's something to keep an eye out for going into 2026. All right, if not the end of this year. I know some people believe towards the end of 2025 we might get a break above the 200-day moving average, so price moving back above 676. In my opinion, I do think this gap fill is going to occur at some point, and if not this year, I do anticipate 2026 to have a new all-time high for Meta stock, which is why personally, for me, I'm adding into Meta stock while it's below 630. This is my entry point between 630 down to about 525. This is my loading zone right here, and then looking for that reversal back up to the upside. Even if you were to potentially purchase at 630, which is above us right now, and you wait it out with all the dips and down and sideways movements, look for that reversal back up to the all-time high. That's eventually going to be a 26% move back up to the upside. From our current price at the moment, it's going to be right around a 31% move. So let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. And if you guys are in Meta stock and you guys are adding or just looking for due diligence, please feel free to come on in our Discord. First link down below in the description. It's free to join. We got over 32,000 people. And if you're looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, we do have a 90% off discount celebrating our 5-year anniversary with the second link down below for our Patreon.